Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to mail someone through Yahoo. I wonder why you want to know how to mail someone through Yahoo. Maybe because you just found out about Yahoo that it is a really good mail messenger and through which you can send mails and they are very secure. Or maybe you just have seen someone else using it, so you just want to give it a try and you don't know how to mail someone through Yahoo. So don't worry, whatever the reason it could be for you, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Yahoo Mail. And if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once app get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Yahoo Mail to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top of the screen and some of the options at the bottom of the screen. And in the middle of the screen, we have mails. If you have sent mails, it will appear here. If you have received mails, it will appear here. So now if you want to write a mail, so for that you have to click on the pencil icon which is on the top right side of the screen, this one. You just have to simply tap onto that option and with the help of this you could write or you could say create the mail and can send to anybody. So just simply click here and once click here you will see this interface. So now in first option, which is 2, you have to enter the email address of the person to whom you want to send this mail. Make sure you enter the correct email because if you enter the wrong email it will not send a mail to someone. And into the subject you have to type the title of the mail. Let's say you're typing a mail for a quotation, then you have to type for quotation. If you're sending any request, then you have to type it request. And if you're submitting a complaint, then type about complaint or maybe feedback. Whatever the letter is about, you just have to type it on the subject. And after it you have to type your mail. You have to type it or either you have written it somewhere else, then you can paste it here. So first you have to enter the email address of the person to whom you want to send the mail. Make sure you enter the correct email address because if you enter wrong it will not send a mail. And in subject just simply type the title of the mail as I said earlier. So here I'm typing for a quotation, therefore I'm just simply writing quotation. And after that, in the main letter I will explain what I am going to write into this mail. So here you have to type whatever comes to your mind or maybe whatever you want to type. And once you're done typing your mail you can send this to someone else. But before, if you want to add a picture to it you can do that. If you want to attach files you can do that. There are multiple options available, you just have to explore any one of these and you may use any one of these. And once you're done with all these things just simply click on send. And once you do that you will be easily able to send the mail to anybody of the email address that you have added. So just simply click on send and at the bottom it says that sending mail. That means the mail will be sent to the person. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can send a mail to someone through Yahoo. If you know any other way of doing it, let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.